Hello and welcome everybody. If you're interested to know what's inside the dual battery charger of the GoPro Hero9 Black, you're in the good place. So today it's the goal of our video. Let's see what's inside this package. So when you receive or you buy a new dual battery charger which contains a supplementary battery, this is what you will get. So let's take it out of this plastic bag first so you can see what does it contain. So what does it contain is of course it doesn't contain the Hero9 Black. Of course it's not the camera, it's just the charger, and it's a dual charger, so you can use it for charging two batteries, and it contains also a supplementary battery. It's compatible with the GoPro Hero9 Black, and it has a limited lifetime warranty. Okay, and you can use it to charge two GoPro batteries simultaneously, and it includes a dual battery charger, a battery, and the USB-C cable. It's important to mention that it doesn't contain any wall adapter. And here you have all the regulatory mentions, and a special warning, maybe you never pay attention to this one. It's the warning about that this product can expose you to chemicals including nickel, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. So for more information, you go to this website and you have detailed information. Let's see what's inside, and I think that's what you are expecting from this video. So let's open it. You see, it's a brand new one. It's closed from everywhere. We have the protection rubber here. Let's open it then and see what does it contain. Yeah, it's quite difficult to open, so you know you have a genuine product, never been used before. And here you are. We have our battery and our charger, and also how to use it. So you can use it for two batteries simultaneously. Just plug it, and then you have a charge indicator for each one. And yeah, here is the charge indicator, quite small. Also, it's as small as even smaller than the real GoPro Hero 9. And let's see the dimensions. It's about 4.5 centimeters. Yeah, long, 4.5 centimeters long, and 3.5 centimeters large. But you can have the detailed spec at the website. And for the depth, it's also almost 3, yeah, 3.9 or yeah, 2.9 or 3 centimeters. And here is the battery that's included also. So when you buy a GoPro, you have already one battery with it, and if you bought the special package that you can see in one of my other videos, you can see that it's you can get another supplementary battery, so you might have two batteries with your GoPro. And if you buy this charger, you'll get yourself with three batteries, which is quite interesting. And with this one, you'll be more autonomous on the while you'll do in your footage and films. So what's also included is this USB-C cable. The GoPro USB-C cable, which is compatible with the GoPro Action cam, and also with the supercharger. I mean, this double charger. It's not really super. It's just double. And what you'll get also is this beautiful design schema that show you how to install your two batteries inside this charger, and also a book, small book about all the warnings and all the safety information. So observe the following warning to avoid the battery exposition to or fire. So most of people doesn't read this, but it's very important to read. And all the conditions for your limited lifetime warranty. It's also important to read, and just do not dispose it in the normal bin. Do recycle, please. And it's in different languages: French, English, Japanese, Chinese. Yeah. So that's it. And with this one, you'll need an adapter to charge it. And if you are interested to know which adapter to use, and also if you are interested to see what does the GoPro supercharger look like, the one that you can use with this cable and this battery charger, just stay tuned. You'll get a new video about this one. And thank you for watching. So just an information about this cable before leaving is it's not quite long. It's a small cable, I think, yeah, 50, no, not even 50, no, 45 centimeters long. Yeah. So yeah, just to get this plugged, you'll have the USB-C port right here. Plug it, and that's it. It tights very nice. And the battery, just to put the battery in. Yeah, it's already closed, you know, from everywhere. So it's very good because it protects the battery from electrostatic and any moist that can damage your battery. So yeah, that's a very smart and good idea from GoPro. And that's all folks. That's all folks. There is nothing else in the package. So thank you very much for watching this video. And I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for my other new videos. And if you like this video, just watch it and share it with everybody that wants to buy any new GoPro material or any accessories. And also just subscribe to the channel to receive uh, any new posted videos about GoPro Hero, or any other cool stuff that you might be interested in. And also, I'll be really happy to read from you in your comments. What do you like to see? What do you want me to review for you? Or um, and I'll be more than happy to give you any feedback, or try to work together with you to have any new videos for this new techie ecosystem. Thank you very much, everybody, and enjoy your GoPro.